Well, if you live around the Riverton and Lander area, even up to the north of Casper, he certainly had a rude awakening as he woke up yesterday morning, the morning of July 4th. The reason why this happened is what we call ring of fire. And we take a look at this pattern here. This is a 500 millibar chart, basically what we think of about 18,000 feet above sea level, about 13,000 feet above ground level here in Wyoming. Now we have what's called a ridge across much of the southern part of the U.S. They usually get most of their thunderstorms. Usually in the spring they start drying out as we head toward the June-July time frame as that ridge shifts to the north. Now it's called the ring of fire because the top of that ridge will sit up over the northern U.S. It varies from year to year and also from day to day. You have what are called short waves that ride along that. Now think of a short wave as just kind of a disturbance in the forest for those of you who like Star Wars, Obi-Wan Kenobi or or Yoda sensing I feel a disturbance in the force. Now it's not a planet blowing up obviously, just enough of a disturbance to come through and lift the air and bring some convection and some showers and thunderstorms. Now take a look at some of these pictures. I shot these from Riverton last night. And also look at the video here, some of those lightning strikes. Now take a look at this radar image. Now I think what's amazing about this storm is usually when we get a strong to severe thunderstorm around here, it lasts for maybe 20-30 minutes and then it fades. A few of them last year last up to 2 or 3 hours, but watch as this thing develops and then marches across Lander, Riverton, goes into the Toronto County, crosses US 26. It holds together all the way as it goes out toward the Midwest and finally exits into Converse County. We ended up issuing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 warnings on this. Now around here that's very unusual for a storm. And there was some very big hail in there. You can see that little chart up there. Now watch as this advances. You can see at one point it gets up to hail close to 4 inches in diameter. Now that didn't happen. This tends to overestimate the hail. The general rule of thumb with this is you want to divide it by 2, so about 2-inch hail. And we did get reports of golf ball sized hail as they crossed Interstate 25 between Midwest and Casper. And here's your brief explanation for ring of fire convection. Usually happens several times during the summer, anywhere say from about June to about the first part of August.